All right, this is video number 2 of the Camaro project, the 87 IROC-Z. We made pretty good progress. Thought I'd give you guys an update on what we did. So first of all, we painted it Apollo green, and this is the color that my son selected. I like it. It looks really cool. I think it's they started out in '92 or something like that with this color. It wasn't available back in '87, so this is not a color for this year, but that's all right. It looks great. Let's see here. Yeah, everything was apart when we painted it, and then we put them all back. So bumper went back in, light fixtures, got the shock tower piece on. These are all new stuff. We just want to make sure it's safe. And cross member was taken out. We removed all the rust and painted it, got it back. So it looks great. It's got the LS mount on it, completely welded into the cross member. I don't think we're ever going to go back to that 5.0. So we went ahead and welded in. Let's see what else here. Yeah, we got pretty much all the body pieces back together. We took them all out. Every single fiberglass piece was taken out. It's got the original OEM IrocZ sticker. The Z28, we couldn't find anything that matched with the OEM, so we put the OEM sticker back, or the badge. Doesn't look too bad, and it does look very well as is. So let's see what else here. We're gonna do a brake conversion later into disc brake, but right now we pay no attention to what's back here. Got the rear bumper and pieces back. Hatch back was taken off for paint, and then we reassembled it. Looks really nice. Yeah, so overall we're pretty happy with the work so far. And we haven't touched the interior yet. It's still the way it was before the paint. Just cover the dash up and paint the car. So now we get the lower control arm rust removed and painted it. Got new polyurethane bushings in there, new ball joint. It was kind of a nightmare to get these installed. They weren't very easy to. You got to hit them real hard with a hammer, but they do come in. Not too bad. Put the lights back on. Windshield was in really good condition, so we're probably just gonna leave it the way it is. Yeah, so this is it. The motor is still sitting here. It's an LS1 motor. We're gonna do new intake, everything new, fuel rails intake. We got the Ball Eagle cam kit from Texas Speed, so that's coming in. We should be getting probably 400 horsepower or something like that, hopefully. So that should be plenty for a 15 years old. The size also completed with all the moldings installed. We got lots of new parts. Anything that safety related, we go ahead and buy them new. So yeah, it's all sitting here waiting to be installed. Now the fun is trying to figure out where all this bolt goes. We just do one piece at a time. Yeah, should be fun. So anyway, that's the current status of the Camaro project. Give you guys more updates when we get some more done.